पिछली बार मुस्कान ली थी पीछे मामा ने, है ना?
Cruising all night, I can take you off my mind. Should I call you now? Hitting up your phone, 'cause I've been feeling all alone. Will you hold me tight? Weekends with you all day, my boo. You're my favorite thing. You're my favorite thing. Weekends with you all day, my boo. You're my favorite thing. You're my favorite.
As you all know, I really like Mamaearth products and recently I got Mamaearth Egg Pluck Shampoo and Conditioner. Mamaearth Egg Pluck Shampoo is enriched with egg protein and collagen for hair strength and shine. It is made safe, dermatologically tested and suits all skin types. It gently cleans, collagen rejuvenates hair, egg help repair damaged hair. It includes natural ingredients such as aqua, allergy-free fragrance, egg protein, wheat germ oil, etc. Hence it is free from harmful chemicals. Next is Mamaearth Egg Pluck Conditioner with egg protein and collagen for hair strength and shine. It is made safe, dermatologically tested and suits all skin types. Again, the conditioner nourishes hair, egg helps repair damaged hair and collagen makes hair soft and shiny. It includes natural ingredients such as shea butter, aqua, allergy-free fragrance, jojoba seed oil, etc. Overall, Mamaearth products are cruelty-free and plastic positive, that is they recycle more plastic than they use, and made in India. Mamaearth products are easily available on its website, Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, Mamaearth app and Flipkart app. So, once you will order, the exact geolocation and species of plant will be sent to you. You can also use my code PS2022 for 20% off at mamaearth.in. So check it out, guys. From my family, I got some money and of course dresses, outfits, and there she gave me this, I don't know what's inside it, so let's open it. Oops. Oh my god, this is my favorite chocolate. I don't really eat chocolates, but this is one of the chocolates which I like, Thank you so much everyone out there for wishing me, supporting me. So, what is that? It's so weird, I know. From past few days I wasn't really well. Like, pata nahi, for some reason, mentally I wasn't stable at all and I was kind of really sad. Maybe because my sister is not here. This is the first birthday, 18th birthday that I'm celebrating without my sister. So I'm honestly Honestly, I have mixed feelings and I feel really bad. I miss everyone, like my grandpa, my sister, because we have always celebrated birthday together. So that's the thing. But overall, I enjoyed, this birthday party. I am so thankful and grateful for all the wishes out there to you guys, from you guys. So thank you so much for taking out your time and writing down the wishes and wishing me. I was worried about my future. There are some phases when you are really worried. Overall, I really want to thank my chachu. He is so kind. Thank you so much to my chachu. Everyone out there, even, yeah, for contributing in this. Finally, now I am 18, guys. I am an adult. Wow. But not actually, but yeah, kind of adult.
I don't wanna be if you sit under. If you can't see me, I'll say where to go. Make a way to go. Yeah, where I have to be, I don't know that I something. We've been talking everything out, yeah. You've been calling for the night out. High go competition, no need complications, right? Yeah, so we ain't gotta tell you good now. You can meet me on our way out. We're making plans for a future, better let her know that she.
So here's my birthday gift. One of my favorite chocolate these days. And yeah, we got Dairy Milk Silk Celebration. That's it. Chocolates. Lots of chocolates, which I'm gonna share with everyone because definitely I'm not a big chocolate lover. So let's see. Notes of economics. I think clearing your concepts really helps a lot. Like I cleared the concept related to national income and its related aggregates. Definitely make sure to arrange the stuff. But yeah.
तो मैं वो आपको दिखाऊंगी। और एक्चुअली आज सिर्फ जंगकुक का बर्थडे नहीं है, मेरे पापा का भी बर्थडे है। तो पापा अगर आप ये देख रहे हो ना तो हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Love it how you love me electric like you do. Love it how you love me electric, always you. Love it how you love me electric, electric. I love it how you love me a lot, love me a lot, love me electric. Baby, keep the light on for me, I'm coming home. Know I got you forever wherever I go. I feel like I'm high. Oh, and I wouldn't change the way you got me jumping through hoops. All the wishes in the world and I wish for you. I feel like I'm dying. Oh, and I found heaven.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel.
We have this eyebrow pencil that I'm gonna use, so let's use it. Welcome back. So today I am gonna celebrate my birthday with my friends and I'm pretty excited. Well, unfortunately few of my friends won't come to this birthday party.
I just wanna dance, oh, oh, you and I tonight.
Won't you take a chance, my love? Don't be shy. Come and show me what you've got.
We had a good time, from what I remember, like Bonnie and Clyde when we are together. We were at your best friend's backyard party when your phone fell in the pool. Had a couple missed calls from your crazy ex, but you said it was cool. Girl, I can be yours tonight. I can be whatever you're missing. Take you to the stars tonight, like an astronaut on a mission. I wanna take you higher. Let's fly till we see the northern lights. Girl, this could be yours tonight. Fill the empty space in your broken heart tonight. I woke up at 9 without a hangover, 'cause when I'm with you, I'd rather be sober. I think that we were dancing to a Springsteen song that got me